This video is about the correct adjustment of the sieve belt speed during harvesting. Let's start by identifying the wrong speed. If the sieve belt speed is too fast, the potatoes lie directly on the sieve belt without a protective layer of soil. This increases the risk of damage. How is the sieve belt speed adjusted? To do this, first go to the sieve belt section via the control terminal. On the left-hand side, you will see two adjustment areas for both the first and the second sieve belts. Here, you can monitor whether the sieve belts are currently switched on, view the set sieve belt speed, and check the actual current sieve belt speed. To adjust the speed, simply select the sieve belt whose speed you would like to change. On the right side of the control terminal, specific buttons for adjusting the speed will appear. With the plus and minus buttons located at the top, you can manually increase or decrease the speed of the selected sieve belt. If you want to adjust the operational speed of both sieve belts simultaneously, you should use the lower plus and minus buttons. So, what is the correct sieve belt speed, and how can you recognize it? With an appropriate sieve belt speed, there is a consistent and even layer of soil between the potatoes and the sieve belt. This layer is carried along to the separating devices and the product flow remains continuously stable. To do this, first use the basic setting by adjusting the sieve belt speed to match the harvesting speed, so that it corresponds to the speed of the tractor. During harvesting, you monitor the product flow using the camera system and continuously adjust the speed of the sieve belts to the harvesting conditions, so that there is always a layer of soil between the potatoes and the sieve belt. Let's summarize. If the sieve belt speed is too high, there will be no layer of soil beneath the potatoes. The risk of damage increases.